How to Recruit on LinkedIn, Step-by-Step Guide. With each passing year, it's only going to get harder to hire top talent. There's no magical way to avoid this, but you can stay on top of your competition by leveraging emerging trends and mastering the existing ones. One such trend of the recruiting world is the use of LinkedIn for recruitment. It is the biggest professional network in the world. LinkedIn has over 660 million users worldwide, and over 71 million users in India, compared to Naukri.com, which has around 50 million users. The main advantage LinkedIn has is that you can get to know about the candidate, more than the CV tells you, before meeting him or her. You can have a look at their LinkedIn profile to see how they manage it and present themselves. You can glance through their activity screen to peek at their participation in groups. You can also go through the recommendations section to get a fair idea of their work ethics. This was all about why you should work on your LinkedIn recruiting efforts. Now let's have a look at how you can improve. This is a step-by-step guide for you on how to recruit on LinkedIn. First step is to create a company profile. Active job seekers search for jobs on LinkedIn, and you want to ensure that they stumble upon your profile when looking for keywords. You need to have a profile and increase your visibility by sharing blogs and other valuable content. This is a great method to get even the passive candidates introduced to your brand. The company profile will allow you to market your company. Here are a few things you should do to create a good profile. Use relevant keywords in the profile to improve search visibility. Create a headline to attract the right people. Consistently share useful content to familiarize like-minded people with your brand. Second step is to post about job vacancy. You can use your company page, personal profile, and groups to increase your job vacancy visibility. For LinkedIn personal and company profile, you can create a simple job vacancy image to attract the viewers, and talk about a few more details in the status. This will ensure that you, the applicants, have a clear idea about what you're looking for. To share your job vacancy on a group, you would have to do it this way. The last step is to use InMail to reach candidates. LinkedIn provides this great feature that can be used to reach out to candidates you're not connected to. The average response rate to LinkedIn InMail is significantly higher than that of traditional email. LinkedIn restricts the number of characters that can be sent to 300. But it can still be used to send out greetings to the candidate you want to approach. Now here's the most important step. Connect with the candidates, both active and passive, and build your brand. Now, this is not a one-and-done thing. This will require consistent efforts and patience, but you'll see the result once your professional network increases and you get to hire top candidates. Hope this helps.